12th of April 2025, I was able to monetize this channel you guys are seeing on your screen right now. And guess what, guys? It took me just 18 days to be able to monetize this particular channel you guys are seeing on your screen right now. I did a full detailed video on how I was able to monetize this channel in just 18 days. If you have not seen that video yet, I'm going to be pinning it in the comment section for you guys to go ahead and watch it. But if you have seen this video, then you might understand this particular video I am currently making right now. So, unlike the usual, I was able to monetize. I know a lot of people struggle to get monetization. Some people spend like 6 years, 3 years, 1 year, like longer period. But I spent only 18 days to monetize this particular channel, which is actually, it's miraculous. Like, it's God not good. But then after being monetized, and then I woke up today and I was like, okay, let me look at this analytics today because I have several channels. I was like, okay, let me even see how much this particular channel has gotten me so far since I got monetized. Because like you all know, yesterday was when I clocked 1 year. Like this channel you guys are watching me on, N with Nneka. Yesterday was when it clocked 1 year since I made my very first video on this channel. So I said, okay, it's a time to reflect. Let me even see my other channels. Let me see how far those ones have been going, because I checked my analytics and see how much have I gotten so far. It's just good to just reflect on things like that. So sorry for digressing. Let me continue. So I said, okay, I went to my revenue and I clicked on it, and to my greatest surprise, you guys will be so shocked. I'm going to show you guys. Don't worry. I'll show you on the screen. Just go ahead and look at it on the screen. When I clicked on the estimated revenue, I went to check on the lifetime because I wanted to see the entire, not just for 28 days, the lifetime. And guess what I saw? You can already see it on your screen, guys. I got $70.22. Imagine the whole of 12th of April 2025. And this is November 2025. That is, let us even count April. Okay, let us even say the first month. No, I just got. Let us even remove April. Let's start from May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 7 good months. For 7 months, I was able to get only $70.22. And guess what, guys? It's not even up to YouTube minimum threshold. Because for you to be able to withdraw on YouTube, you need at least $100. Guys, calm down. I know you guys will be thinking that, wow, what really happened? So let me tell you what affected my channel so that you guys can also think wisely. I will not tell you, do this, don't do that. I'm going to leave you guys to be the judge of it. So what really affected my channel was, and that was the same way I actually monetized my channel too. I was using Restream. And if you check right now, maybe after watching this video, you can go on to the live session of this particular channel, scroll down and check all my Restreams. You will see that all the Restream I made, none is related to my channel. Meaning, yes, I got the watch hour. Yes, I got the subscriber. But are they interested in my content? No. No. They're actually not interested in my content. So that was one of the things that made me struggle. I struggled actually to be able to build this particular channel to this extent, because imagine having thousands of subscribers and they're not interested in how to grow your YouTube channel. They are only there for the entertainment, the mid-slicing videos I actually used. Same thing with this particular Jaffe Media you guys are seeing. I was able to get them, get them to watch my video. I got the watch hour in no time. I got the subscriber in no time. But were they interested in my content? No. So, but I know that along the line, I will still, like, same way I am able to, get my right audience on this channel, I will still be able to get my right audience on that channel too, because I started working on it and gradually it is moving, it is growing, right? Yeah, because I can see improvement in the views, in the engagement level. I can see improvement, but I will actually still keep pushing. But then I just need you guys to be the judge. What do you guys think? Do you think it is best to, calm down, allow the algorithm, don't rush it, just calm down, allow the algorithm, push out your main content, get your main audience that will love your channel, love what you're doing, and be able to watch your video whenever you post them? Do you think it is better to calm down so that whenever you get monetized, you don't even need to struggle? From your first month of monetization, you can reach, in fact, more than your threshold, and you can be able to start cashing out from YouTube. Do you think that is actually better, or do you think you just want to monetize fast like I did, and then you wait for like 6-7 months, 1 year to be able to get your first payout. Because guys, I'm so sorry about the break in transmission. My baby just interrupted, and everything just had to start all over again. But then let's just continue from where I stopped. I just want to know what you guys actually think, because do you think that you should calm down to wait for the algorithm to push your content so you don't struggle to earn? Because some people can argue that this YouTube monetization has a timeline. It has timeline. After 365 days, which is every year, if you do not get up to 4,000 watch hour, the watch hour you have gotten, you will lose it, and then you have to start afresh. You understand? So YouTube will clear the watch hour if it's already 365 days. So some people can argue that maybe they want to beat that because there's a timeline, so they just want to monetize their channel fast so they cannot relax anytime. Because I've actually seen someone commented on one of my videos that she just wants to get monetized anytime the money comes, even if it takes her 6 months, 1 year, she doesn't mind. As long as she's monetized, she's cool with it. So let me know what you're actually like, which one actually make more sense to you. Do you think monetizing fast, then now waiting to get your first paycheck, waiting like almost a year, the waiting that you did not want to wait to get monetized, you now eventually have to wait for it to get your first paycheck, or you feel like it doesn't really matter to you, I don't know. I don't know what you guys actually think, but just let me know in the comment section what you think. Which one is actually better, waiting for the algorithm to naturally boost your content, or doing it yourself and then having to wait? Which is actually, I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. But what I can say is, even if whichever way, if you're consistent in your niche, your channel will definitely pick up. Just like this, my channel picked up. This particular channel, I have faith in it that it will also pick up eventually, as long as I'm consistent. Because now I've tried to be consistent. Before now, I was not consistent. I was not really posting like that. I just started being consistent. I gave this channel 30-day challenge, and I've started 30-day challenge on that channel too. So I'm hoping that before the 30th day challenge, it should pick up. But then see how long I had to wait to get my payout. Even on this channel, I did the video on how long I had to wait before August. I started making reasonable amount of money on this channel August, which is very, very recent. So before then, and my channel clocked 1 year yesterday. So for you to know that, see how long I had to wait to be able to get my first withdrawal. But just let me know your thoughts. If you were the one, if you have to choose one, like if YouTube is asking you right now that choose one, do you want to get monetized and then you wait longer period of, what am I saying? If YouTube is asking you right now that, do you want to get monetized and then you have to wait for like some months, maybe like 5 months, 6 months to be able to get your first paycheck? Or do you want them to take their time? Maybe like wait for like 6 or 7 more months, get monetized, and then you get your paycheck instantly. You don't have issues with, you already have your audience. So whenever you post, they are there. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comment section.